Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a quick system, restore point, and signing in with an administrator account so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Device Manager directly by typing devnet MSC in the Start box. You'll immediately scan the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section for yellow triangle entries or unknown device listings. Make note of any device names and hardware ID. This helps later when choosing drivers. Don't waste time. Move to the next step when you've recorded those identifiers. You now attempt a rollback first because it's the safest fix. Open Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Rollback if it's enabled. This returns the last functional driver. If rollback isn't available, uninstall the problematic USB controller, and when prompted, check Delete the driver software for this device to clear corrupted files. Once uninstalled, use Action right arrow scan for hardware changes or simply reboot. This forces Windows 7 to detect the controller and attempt a clean driver reinstall automatically. If Windows doesn't restore functionality, manually install the correct driver you downloaded from the motherboard or device manufacturer. Match the hardware ID and Windows 7 32/64-bit. Next, update chipset drivers and disable USB selective, suspend in power options to rule out power management shutdowns. Make sure to reboot after drivers install. If things still fail, try a live USB or swap cables and ports to separate hardware faults from software faults. That single test often reveals whether the controller or Windows needs more intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.